Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a timepiece that blends ancient art with modern engineering. The Haofa Automatic SANXINGDUI Watch for Men. Model 1969. This luxury mechanical watch features a stunning carbon fiber case combined with stainless steel, offering both strength and lightweight comfort. The Tonneau-shaped case and numberless dial give it a sleek, fashion-forward design. Perfect for modern gentlemen. Powered by an automatic self-wind and mechanical hand-wind movement. This watch boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve. The sapphire crystal glass ensures scratch resistance, while the rubber strap delivers durability and comfort for daily wear. With a water resistance of up to 5 bar, it's ready to handle everyday splashes and rain. But remember, it's not designed for hot baths or saunas. What makes this watch truly unique is its design inspiration. The dial showcases the legendary, flat-topped gold-faced bronze statue from the ancient SANXINGDUI civilization. The half-hollow, half-gold mask design adds mystery and character, while luminous coatings on the eyes and hands make it glow in the dark, truly bringing history to life on your wrist. If you appreciate watches that combine cultural storytelling, luxury materials, and robust mechanics, the Haofa SANXINGDUI watch is a must-have addition to your collection. Ready to experience a masterpiece of history and horology? Right finger buy now from description link. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more exclusive watch reviews. Thanks for watching.